Hey guys, happy Friday. It's been a little while since I've made any HVAC related videos as far as in the field videos. Just haven't really had any work conducive to making a good HVAC step-by-step video, whether it be an install or a service day or whatever it may be. But I was kind of compelled, so I'm getting ready to head up into the mountains with my dad for a couple days to go up and see if we can retrieve an elk. And I'm not really much of a hunter, but I'm gonna go up there. It's always fun to get away, get up in the mountains and go camping. But I felt compelled to make a quick little video here before we head out of town. And what was I getting at here? So what compelled me was sorry guys, I'm drawing a blank. What compelled me was a conversation I had with my electrician a minute ago. And I think, I shouldn't. Sorry guys, I had to reboot that real quick because my brain was fried this morning. I've been busy trying to pack and load up some stuff and everything. But I felt compelled to make a video this morning in regards to a conversation I had with my electrician this morning on the phone. You know, the biggest problem that a lot of guys have in the trades, and this goes for any trade, whether you're an electrician, whether you're a plumber, whether you're a HVAC guy or drywall, or whatever it may be, framer, is I think it'll be fine. That's a phrase I hate. When somebody says, oh, it'll be fine, that just means that you're cutting a corner and you're not making sure that everything is up to code and safe. You want to go above and beyond, and let me tell you why. Because if you have the mentality of it'll be fine, you're never going to, for one, you're not going to have any peace of mind for the work that you do, and you're not going to have a good referral base, and you're not going to have a good reputation in the industry, because you're always kind of cutting corners, you're always half-assing stuff, and you're always just saying to people it'll be fine. Well, it'll be fine until it's not fine, and a lot of the time it's not. And as long as you go above and beyond, minimum code is not always fine. Go above and beyond code. Go above and beyond, a lesser quality that a lot of your competitors are doing. I see it in my area all the time. There's a lot of it'll be fine guys in my area, and I'm sure there are across the country. I've seen the work that's done down in Florida, and trust me, that's not fine. And other states, for that matter. Always strive for quality. Don't cut any corners, and that includes, and a lot of guys won't agree with me with this in HVAC. I don't like the press fittings. I don't like flexible gas piping. I don't like anything that basically is sacrificing safety for the sake of faster installation or ease of installation. It just doesn't make sense to me. I do not want a rubber gasket holding refrigerant in my lines. I don't want teeth or rubber gas, whatever it is on those press fittings they make for black iron. I don't want that. I don't want that to keep gas from flowing into somebody's home. I'm going to cut and thread my pipe. I'm going to pressurize it, and I'm going to make sure it's good when it comes to gas piping and refrigeration. I'm going to braze my lines. I'm going to pressurize it, make sure it's good. And I've done my due diligence to make sure that everything is done to my satisfaction, not anybody else's. And so I can sleep well and know that I did everything I could to make sure it was functional and safe. Functional and safe, not it'll be fine. So we got to protect ourselves. People are very sue happy. They're very paranoid about the work that we do. So if you give yourself a reputation to do a very, very, very good job and do your best and have a reputation of quality and ethics, you will go far. I don't cut corners in anything I do. If I don't care. I'll come back. If I'm running out of time, I'm not going to speed things up and try to make it easier on myself, but for the sake of quality. If it's getting late in the day, I'll just come back. Never rush yourself to get something done. And I understand a lot of you guys have bosses that rush you. If you have to pull off something, so be it. It's just the way it is. But don't rush something and hack it in and leave. And know that you're not going to come back to it. Well, you might come back to it, but don't assume you're not going to come back to it. And if you work for somebody like that that's doing that to you, perhaps you need to find another job. I work for myself, and if I can't get it done today, there's always tomorrow or the next day. And especially for things that somebody's going to live with for 15 to 20 years or longer, why are you rushing it in one afternoon? It just doesn't make any goddamn sense to me why guys do that. They'll rush something in, they don't quite feel right about the job that they did, and then the customer has to deal with it for X amount of years. It's just crazy to me. But I want to make this video real quick, and sorry about the stammering at the beginning. I was trying to get my train of thought together. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go on a little trip, and hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I'll probably see you back here Monday.